This 2022 Forest River No Boundaries NB 19.1 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, skylight, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, LP detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, leveling jacks, water heater, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River No Boundaries NB 19.1 is 4,556 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.